Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can promote these ClickBank links on Pinterest. So here I have opened my Pinterest and on the home page you can see all the beautiful templates and you can get inspo from them. Here you can see all the templates. Now for creating pin you simply have to click on this create option in the bottom. When you will click on this create option you can see here the option called website and photo. You can simply here create pin by clicking on this website option here. And there's also one more way. When you will click on your profile icon, now here you can also see your creates that you have created before. And when you will click on this plus icon on the top, here you can also create by clicking on create. Here when you will click on this website, then they will ask you for a link. So here if you talk about where you can find these links, here I will teach you where you can find these links. So there are some websites where you can find this link. One is called Digit Store. In Digit Store you can find many affiliate links. And we also have here a ClickBank from where you can copy all the ClickBank affiliate links and you can promote that on Pinterest. Here people directly upload the links in the Pinterest and that cause copyright issues. So you should avoid posting the links directly in the Pinterest. Always use the site in between. Now here I'm using Bitly. Any apps like that you can use any app. Here just you have to paste the link that you have copied before and this app will gonna create a short link for you. You can do that simply here. Now here after creating the link from Bitly you can come to Pinterest and now you can paste the link here that you have copied from Bitly. And after pasting the link here you can also upload the picture. Here I'm uploading my product picture. You can upload your product picture here. Now here choose a board. Now here you can see that our product has been uploaded. Now I will show you how it looks. Here you can see the picture. Now here if we scroll down, now here you can also see these type of links that other people have uploaded. Now you can see the similar products that other people have uploaded and you can see all the competitors here. And that was all about how you can create and you can promote ClickBank affiliate links on Pinterest. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.